Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix something went wrong error during Gemini sign up. If you're trying to create a Google Gemini account and keep seeing that error message, here's a quick way to fix it step by step. First of all, what you're gonna do is close the Gemini app completely. Swipe from the bottom of your iPhone, find Gemini and swipe it away. Next, what you're gonna do is check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works. Next, what you're gonna do is open your settings and then go to General and make sure your iPhone's date and time are set to automatic by going to general and look for date and time and toggle the set automatically button on, and then incorrect settings, by doing this incorrect settings can trigger sign up errors, so this fixes it. So next what you're gonna do is open the app store and then search for Gemini and then see if there is an update button. If there is an update button available, outdated versions can sometimes cause that issue. Next, and in the last, what you're gonna do is restart your iPhone to clear out any temporary glitches, then reopen Gemini and continue the sign up process. Privacy tip: only complete sign up through the official Gemini or website. Avoid links from emails or ads that redirect you elsewhere. These can be phishing attempts. Quick fix: if the error keeps popping up, delete the Gemini app and reinstall it from the App Store. Then try signing up again. If it still fails, switch to Gemini's website on Safari to finish registration. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes like